what's up everyone? It is day 5 in Nashville. I am dressed, I put my face on, did a little workout this morning, and we are waiting on our lift to head over to Imaging 2020. Hey, what's up everyone? So we just arrived at Imaging 2020 and this place is absolutely incredible. Honestly, I have never been to a convention center that is this nice. I'm gonna cue the montage of the walk into registration just so you can see a little bit of what I'm talking about. Hey, what's up everyone? Joshua here from SmartSight Industries. I am at the first day of Imaging 2020 and it is such an awesome event. I am going to do a quick walkthrough of the show floor and stop at some of the bigger brand booths just to give you an idea of what the layout looks like and how busy it is. And I'm getting ready to walk into my favorite place. Ready? I'm not going to ask you why people should switch to Sony. You know why? Because I'm already converting all my friends to Sony.
That's fantastic.
But could you just tell people what's going on in this area?
Yeah, so over here we've got a saloon set with some models, so you can pick up the Sony camera, try it out, pop your SD card in. If you haven't been a believer yet, just shoot it for a little while and you'll be a believer soon.
Trust me, I'm a believer and this convention is awesome. Thank you so much for your time, man.
Thank you.
This is Reza. He is currently a Canon shooter and he's thinking about making the switch to Sony. Why?
Oh, I gotta be honest. I really like this.
He really likes it. I'm here at Imaging 2020. I just made some new friends on the convention floor. Say hi, guys.
What's up? How you doing?
Hey, so what do you guys think of Imaging so far this year?
Yeah, it's great. Fantastic start for 2020, I tell you that.
what's up everyone? Imaging is on its way out for the day. We've been here pretty much the entire time it's been open. I had a blast. There's a couple photo walks going on behind me. There's a few more giveaways inside that we're gonna check out. But for the most part, I was like a kid in a candy store all day. I had a great time, and we will be coming out with more footage throughout the week. Thanks again so much for watching. What's up everyone? So we are in Raleigh, North Carolina, catching our connecting flight. Got the worst motion sickness ever. I hate airplanes. Hey, what's up everyone? So we just touched down in Baltimore. I am so thankful to be back on solid ground. I get motion sickness so bad and I just hate being on an airplane. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna cut this video up yet because there's just so much that happened. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be one video or if I'm gonna cut everything into a recap. But hopefully you'll see this video in the next couple days. And I want to thank everyone so much for checking out my adventure on down to Nashville. Have a great day.